Let's learn everyday use English expressions and idioms with movie clips.
I'm sorry if I offended you, sir.
I'm sorry if I offended you.
Sorry if I offended you.
I'm sorry if I offended you.
I'm sorry if I offended you means an apology for potentially causing offense or misunderstanding. For example, I'm sorry if I offended you with my earlier comment. It wasn't my intention.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered means to feel pleased and proud because someone has made you feel important or said good things about you. For example, she was flattered by his attention.
That's very flattering.
Well, that's very flattering.
That's very flattering.
That's very flattering means something makes you feel important or special or pleased. For example, you might say that suit is very flattering on you.
What are we having?
And what are we having?
So, what are we having?
What are we having for dessert?
What are we having is a phrase that asks what is being consumed or offered. For example, what are you having? I will have salad.
I worked up all my courage.
Worked up my courage.
I worked up my courage.
I worked up my courage means to force yourself to be brave enough to do something, although you are frightened or worried about it. For example, he had to work up the courage to ask out the girl in his class.
Beats me.
Beats me.
Beats me.
Why?
Beats me.
It beats me is an idiom that means you don't understand or know something, or you use it when you do not understand a situation or someone's behavior. For example, it beats me how she got the job.
Just in case.
Just in case.
Just in case.
Just in case.
We use this phrase to protect against something bad that could happen. For example, I will bring an umbrella just in case it rains.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree here.
The phrase "you're barking up the wrong tree" is an idiom that means someone is mistaken. It's used to suggest that someone has misunderstood something or is completely wrong. For example, she thinks it'll solve the problem, but I think she's barking up the wrong tree.
Your memory's a little hazy.
It's still kind of hazy.
Things got a little hazy after that.
My memory is a little hazy means you are not remembering things clearly. For example, you might describe memories of childhood as hazy. Hazy can also mean something is cloudy by dust, smoke, or fog in the air. To know more about daily use expressions, please like, subscribe, and comment below.